Damay sa breakup, mother ni Sian inaaway na rin ng mga fans nila Kim Chu. Tila hindi pa natatapos ang stake issue sa mag-ex na sina Sian Lim at It's Showtime host Kim Chu. December 2023, inihayag ni Kim na hiwalay na sila ng boyfriend. Kasunod nito, lumutang ang isyong nagpaluto pa di umano si Sian ng paboritong steak kay Kim bago sinabing break na sila. Dahil apektado na raw si Sian at ang kanyang pamilya, sinagot na nito finally at pinabulaanan ang tungkol sa steak rumor na naging usap-usapan ng mga netizens kaugnay sa hiwalayan nila ng ex-girlfriend na si Kim. Sa panayam kay Sian ni Marinel Cruz ng Philippine Daily Inquirer na lumabas nung linggo, May 19, 2024, ikinwento ng aktor kung paano niya natanggap ang pinagdaanan niya sa hiwalayan nila ng aktres. Ayon kay Sian, ang kanyang ina na si Mary Ann ang naging katuwang niya upang maghilom ang sakit na nararamdaman. Umpisa ng aktor, "My mom. She advised me to stay away from the news, from all social media platforms, because things were getting too out of hand. She also advised me to not mind all the fake news and the things people are saying about me. That deep inside, we know the truth and that's all that matters. She also said that if people like to believe all this, then there's nothing I can do about it. She's my support, my pillar, the wall I lean on, even until now. I'm lucky that she's a strong woman. Other people might have broken down because of what's happening. She's been getting harmful, below-the-belt messages, even threats. For some reason, people got hold of her number," pahayag ni Sian. Dagdag pa niya, "I just want to explain this well and give it some context so people will understand. Our fans, I don't even call them fans because they eventually became our friends, they became family, and have my mom's number. For the past 12 years, we were okay. She was always just a text away from our followers. All of a sudden, this happened, and Kim and I broke up. I just don't understand why these people we know are now going out of their way to say hurtful words to my mother. What for? We gave a reason for the split, that's it. Just take that, di na kailangang himiin. We were very sad. Of course, these were people we trusted. We considered them family. My mom had to change her number. We don't even talk about it in the house anymore. She just tells me, as long as we know the truth, we don't have to play this game with them.